Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed. You getting better with the times. Looking on your earth, tasting like some fine wine. Ex broke your heart, you can hear that through.
I hope everyone is having a bomb day. Today I am going to be showing y'all how I installed this wig from Megalook Hair. It is a 13 by 4 inch frontal wig. It is a body wave texture and 30 inches long. I would like to thank Megalook Hair for sponsoring today's wig install for y'all. So y'all already know I live for a side part all the way down, curled back with a 30 inch body wave frontal wig. But today I wanted to style it in a half up, half down type of style. I haven't done that in a while. I just thought it would be really cute with this length and this wig, and it definitely turned out exactly how I thought it would. This hair definitely has a lot of fullness to it, even though it's 30 inches. Sometimes when you get 30-inch hair, it's not as full as some other wig lengths, but that's not the case with this particular wig. I opted to do no baby hairs because the hairline looked super bomb on this wig, y'all. Why would I add baby hairs? Like, it doesn't need it at all. Definitely had to wear my hoops again. I wore it in my last video and I was like, yes, I miss my hoops, so I'm wearing these bad boys again. If you would like to see how I installed this wig, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on, my bad, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Later clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and roll, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural. Edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rip the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah. Moody. Moody. get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I look for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Beat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time.
So here is the final look. As you can see, it was very easy to install. The styling did take a little bit more time just because when you're doing like a bang and then half up, half down, you have to get each part situated before you curl the hair. So that does take a little bit of time, but we got this wig together. You can let me know what you think about this wig style in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your continued love and support. And if you have not already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, what are you doing? Go ahead, click the box right here to keep the party going.